Yo, what's up, guys, bro? Today I'll be tier testing for sword, bro. I hope I get a good tier. My current tier is low tier 4, bro. I hope it all goes well. Hope I get high tier 4, maybe low tier 3. But anyways, peace out, y'all. It's time for me to take my tier test, man. Yo guys, chill out, bro. Do not mind the texture pack, man. But anyways, let's keep continuing this tier test. I don't want to waste y'all's time, bro. Hey, bro, I did kind of trash, man. Yo, I hope I get a good tier at least. I hope I keep that low tier 4, bro. Does that say high tier 5? Does that say high tier? Oh my god. Yo, guys, thank y'all for watching the video, bro. Hope y'all like the video so much, bro. Just please hit a like or sub, bro. Thank y'all so much. Kind of disappointed in my test results, bro, but like, it's like I'm just like really washed, bro. Thank y'all so much. I'll get better. Promise for y'all, bro.